Hi! Welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change the deleting text in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that, in the voiceover, scroll down and find the verbosity, then tap. Then in the verbosity section, scroll down and then find the deleting text, then tap again. In this part, in the deleting text, if you want to change it to speak, just tap it until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to play sound, just tap also until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to do nothing, just tap it until there's also a check mark on the side. And that's it. We have successfully changed deleting text in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.